Hello guys, this is Vijay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we will be seeing the previous version of the code to improve it further better. And let's get started without getting any delay. So in the previous video we have seen a while loop that will be taking a number as an input which is a positive number and prints a cat sound positive number of times. So what we will be doing in this video is we will add a functions concept to this video, right? Writing a function for each of the functionality. If here I am trying to print the cat sound n times. So for this functionality, I am just calling this function as meow, and then I am writing this for loop inside it. So this will take n as the input and just pass the value of n to this range function and print the cat sound n times. So this is what one function will look like. So we need to call this function. We have just now defined this function, but we have to call somewhere this function to be executed. So in the first I will try to write a main function. Before that, let me define this while loop in under a new function called get positive number. So this will take a positive number of n times and returns back to this function. So this code must return back to this function the value of n. So how can it be possible means, here in break statement we can simply write return n. That is, a positive number will be returned. If a negative number is entered, the while loop will be continued to iterate. So this is how a positive number can be taken irrespective of the input. Only positive number is considered in the input. So we will be defining these two functions under main function. So like writing this function as main and calling the function main function which prints the cat sound and passing get positive number function by calling it from here. So this is the way we can define our main function. In the last, we will be calling the main function to execute the entry point of the program, which is the main function. So this way we can just print the cat sound multiple times or n times for the number which we have given. So let's test this code in our terminal once and see how it is working. Just go to terminal by going to this new terminal and open the git bash. So you will see a $sign over here, and just write Python file name. Python, what is the file name here? cat.py. So this is the way we execute the program and hit enter. So it is asking us some number value of n. I am trying to enter a negative value. See how it responds. I am trying to enter a negative value. It is asking me again to enter the value of n. So it only accepts the positive value. So I am trying to give a positive value now. So if I hit enter, it will be returning us 6 times the cat sound. So this is the way program will be executed, and hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching.